ready for the exponential machine intelligence megatrend? Well, in this series of videos I present my top 10 AI stocks to invest in to profit from the exponential machine intelligence megatrend. Firstly, for a primer, do check out my two earlier videos, with the first illustrating why everything will start to change exponentially during 2022. And the second video explains how to invest in machine intelligence stocks in terms of accumulating positions and limiting risk. So my top 10 AI stocks are ranked in terms of risk versus reward and volatility. And I consider my top 5 AI stocks as primary, then the next 3 as secondary, and the last 2 as far more risky tertiary stocks. Whilst do remember that when investing in the stock market, your capital is at risk, so there are no sure bets. The stocks analysis will be presented in reverse order. The 10th stock on my list is my first video, as this analysis has first been made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. And the third stock on my list is Microsoft. Microsoft may have been a little slow off the mark to incorporate AI into its business, but this tech giant has the history and the means to give Google and Amazon a run for their money. It's definitely a competitor to Google, and given its wide berth of interest, it will likely beat Google on at least in some AI applications, such as in medical imaging interpretation. And it should not be forgotten that Microsoft, like Google, also has an AI-driven search engine, Bing, and an ever-expanding range of cloud services built on its existing desktop-based business, such as Office and Cortana. Microsoft founded its AI research division in 2016, where one of the objectives is to develop a Microsoft-based AI platform, toolkits and services for businesses. Microsoft's financials are robust, and it even pays a dividend unlike most similar stocks, and has a huge cash mountain, apparently even larger than Google's, coupled with strong earnings growth. Trend analysis. Microsoft's trend has been surprisingly smooth and powerful these past 3 years, undoubtedly boosted by stock buybacks. Now, whilst I have been invested in Microsoft for 2 decades now, but for most of that time Microsoft has tended to be a dead going nowhere stock, underperforming the general market. Well, something's clearly changed. The stock price is signaling that Microsoft, the tech sleeping giant, has suddenly woken up, and that reason could very well be AI. Long-term investing. Like I've already said, my experience is that Microsoft tends to underperform, but for some reason it's been on fire these past 3 years, as illustrated by its performance against the S&P of 355%. So in conclusion, Microsoft appears to be going exponential, which may be a sign that it is winning the AI war. It's hard to tell. For me, this has been an invest and forget stock, where all of my holdings were accrued over 10 years ago. Microsoft should definitely play a part in an AI portfolio, as long as people are aware that it has a tendency to go to sleep for many years. Again, this whole analysis was first made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, and ensure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel for the next video in this AI stock investing series.